In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Replit suggestions. Whether you've been finding the AI code suggestions a bit too intrusive or simply want to take a break from them, I'll guide you through the process of turning off this feature in Replit. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access the user settings within Replit. Start by locating the plus sign situated at the top right of your Replit interface. Click on this plus sign, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled User Settings. This section is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Replit experience, allowing you to personalize the platform to better fit your preferences. Once you're in the User Settings panel, your next step is to navigate to the Code Intelligence section. The Code Intelligence settings are crucial because they control all the AI-powered features, including the code suggestion and completion functionalities. By tweaking these settings, you can decide how much assistance you want from Replit's AI tools, or if you prefer to go it alone for a while. Now, with the Code Intelligence section open, you will see an option related to AI-powered code suggestions. Look for something labeled Enable AI Code Suggestions, or a similar phrase. Once you've found it, the next step is disabling these suggestions. To do this, simply toggle off the switch associated with this option. Turning this off will effectively deactivate the autocomplete and suggestion features that are powered by Replit's AI, giving you a more manual and perhaps less interrupted coding experience. After you've toggled off the AI code suggestions, your changes will generally take effect immediately. You don't need to worry about hitting a save button because Replit is designed to automatically apply these types of configuration changes in real time. This means that you can close the settings panel right away, knowing that your preferences have been updated. With these changes in place, you can now return to your coding projects. You'll notice that the AI-driven suggestions no longer pop up, allowing you to focus solely on your coding tasks without the added layer of machine assistance. Of course, if you find yourself missing the AI features, you can always head back into the settings and re-enable them with a quick toggle. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the code suggestions in Replit. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to follow. Remember, you can always revisit these settings anytime you'd like to make further adjustments to how Replit supports your coding endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!